lemon. All right, so you can see it's frothing already. All right, lovely. So I'm taking my time and also pour okay, so this is the lemon, but also you can use lime. If you like to use some lime, you can use lime, but I'm using lemon, okay? Just to keep you guys updated, this is a recipe. You can also do your own research. And as I said, this is just another recipe to share with you guys this afternoon to tell you some natural home remedy where you can use at home to detox the body, weight loss, natural home remedy, you name it, all different kind of stuff we share with you every day to keep you guys in tune on a regular basis. So we got lemon and we have baking soda. We are using baking soda and lemon tea time. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach, that's the best time you want to drink the baking soda. Empty stomach in the morning. Very good for cholesterol and help to fix all of those problems what you're going through inside of your gut. So if you have a lot of problem in your gut, you have a lot of things going through right now, I'm going to tell you, we got good news. The good news is that you can use baking soda or lemon or lime at home right now, and it's going to help you 100%. I'm going to grab myself a next lemon and I'm going to squeeze out the juice. All right, so I'm using one lemon. So I'm just going to squeeze out the juice of the lemon. All right, catch all of that seed. Okay. All right, so some juice enough for lemon is right here. Catch a seed in that one. So this is one lemon which I am using at the moment, one whole lemon. Okay, so we juice it out and that's the seeds and everything there. So we're gonna put this aside, and what we're going to do, we're going to get the glass, okay, because I'm going to show you guys what you can do at home naturally, and it's going to help you, natural home remedy. All right, okay, lovely. So this right here is 1 teaspoon, and you don't go tablespoon, you need to use a teaspoon. Okay, so this is a teaspoon which you're going to be using. So the first thing what we're going to do, all right, we're going to get 1 teaspoon right here of baking soda, and we're going to put that straight inside of the water, inside of the cup. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to put the water first in it. I think I need some more water. Yeah, I need a little bit more water inside of it. All right, so we're gonna top it up with a little bit more water, and then what you want to do, give that a mix. All right, now sometime it may frazzle up. All right, it may frazzle up and create a lot of frame over and run over on your table with the lemon juice. So let's see, before I go any further, let me quickly use this bigger jar. I'm gonna be using a bigger jar because sometimes it froth over with the lemon juice. All right, so we're going to put it into a bigger jar. Okay, so sometimes it do that. So I'm using 1 whole lemon. All right, so you can see it's frothing already. All right, lovely. So I'm taking my time and also pour the lemon juice in it because I know it will froth over and mess up the whole kitchen. So you're gonna have to take your time and put it in just like that. Okay, so you guys can see. So that's the juice. That's the juice of a lemon right there. Okay, yeah, that's the juice of a lemon. So you guys can see. All right, then what you want to do, you want to drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's the best time to drink it. Let me pour it back into this one. All right, yeah, all right, because I need to have it in this glass that you guys can see exactly what I've been doing. All right, don't feel any way, but that's what you want to do. You want to drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Okay, you know what, it's gonna take time, so leave it back in the jar, the bigger one. Sorry about that, guys. Just leave it in that jar, it's fine. All right, I just didn't want to put it into a smaller jar to show you what I'm doing. Jar, big up yourself, thank you so much. Poor circulation and all of these things, that's what we are talking about. So I would encourage you to jump straight into this one and also make it at home. Very, very powerful and very good. But the best time to drink it is in the morning on an empty stomach. Oh yes, empty stomach, first thing in the morning, you want to drink it. Now, what you want to do, me, I drink it every Tuesday morning on an empty stomach. But sometimes I do my video late just to get my audience, because sometime in the morning, lemon, you can use lime. If you guys have lime at home, please use lime, okay? A good vibes. So here it is, and what I'm going to do is lemon is very strong in it. Wow, that is amazing. Baking soda with lemon. That's it, guys. All right, yeah. So what you want to do, drink. There's a lot of people cannot drink it first thing in the morning, but some people can do it like myself. We do it first thing in the morning if you like to. All right, but I'm gonna tell you, it's one of those whole natural whole remedy, still around, still effective, and people still doing it. I did this, I got a video on my YouTube channel right now where I did this probably about 20 years ago. Yes, about 20 years ago, I did a video way before YouTube, before I was doing YouTube, and I have the clippings and I uploaded on my YouTube channel also. And about 20 years ago. But it's a whole remedy which is around for a very long time, and people are still using it up to till this very day. Baking soda with lemon juice or with lime. My grandmother used to do this back in the days. Trust me, I remember these things. No, that's why I said a lot of people are using the baking soda to wash their fruits and then salad, because it gets rid of pesticide. All right, 99% of the pesticide will goes away. So if you are going through a little bit of problem at home and you're not sure what to do sometime, you can try some natural little remedy like this, and hopefully it will help you. A good vibe.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Island flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight.